because we're going to be uploading even more photos, right? So I want to have to figure out where we left off. Your finger tastes good?
He's a very strong sucker. Yeah. There's nothing in my finger for you. I'm sorry.
He doesn't mind.
Parents are always amazed that it's like the sucking reflex is really a reflex. They don't really need to, in general, learn how to do it. They come out knowing how to do it. The human body is pretty amazing. Are you still filming?
Oh, that was filmed? Are we going to go for a walk? Around the block? Yay! What does that feel like on your finger?
It's a very strong sucker.